You ever seen a man fight a ghost in the gym? I did once. He wasn't throwing punches, but the way he moved, the way he strained, he's fighting something no one else could see. Turns out, that ghost was himself. This story isn't about a champion. It's not about someone who was born gifted or won some gold medal. It's about a man who finally decided to stop running and start training on himself. Daniel was like a lot of us, ambitious, intelligent, charming even. At 29, he had a decent job, a decent apartment, a decent life. From the outside, he looked like he was doing okay, but inside, he was tired. Tired of pretending, tired of knowing he wasn't giving even 50% of what he had inside him. He chased every new shortcut, the podcasts, the productivity hacks, the influencers selling secrets. He joined gyms and quit, started journaling and stopped. He was always planning, but never finishing. One day, while scrolling on his phone, he saw a quote. If ye trained as hard on yourself as ye did to impress others, ye'd already be unstoppable. It hit him like a punch, 'cause the truth was simple. He wasn't lazy, he was undisciplined. He had energy, just no direction. He had potential, just no ownership. That day, something shifted. He didn't announce it. He didn't post about it. No hashtags, no newly stories. He just made a silent contract with himself. 90 days. No excuses. Train the mind, train the body, train the soul. The rules were simple. Wake up at 5 in the morning. 1 hour physical training, no matter what. 30 minutes of reading, no fluff, real books. Cold showers, no sugar, and started. Push-ups, squats, stretches, whatever his tired body could do. He felt weak. But for the first time in a long time, he felt honest. By day 12, the soreness was brutal. Every step felt like walking through fire. He hadn't seen results, but something was changing. Not on his body, in his eyes. He looked in the mirror and saw accountability. Not perfection, but effort. He began to respect himself again. The world still didn't notice. No one clapped. No one praised. But he didn't need it, because this time he wasn't training for them. He was training on himself. Discipline doesn't get easier. Ye just get stronger. There were days Daniel wanted to quit. Rainy mornings, sleepless nights, stressful work calls. But every time the temptation came, he asked one question. Is this the kind of man I promised myself I'd become? That question saved him. He started replacing cheap dopamine with real progress. Instead of Netflix, he RIA. Instead of junk food, he learned to cook. Instead of venting to friends, he wrote in a journal. He didn't become perfect, but he became powerful. Not power over others, power over himself. One day, an old friend saw him at the gym. "Bro, what happened to you?" he asked. Daniel smiled, sweat dripping down his brow. He didn't flex. He didn't brag. He just said, "I stopped waiting for change and started becoming it." It's been over a year now. Daniel still trains. Not just his muscles, but his mind, habits, emotions, and values. He doesn't chase motivation. He builds discipline. He doesn't look for applause. He honors his own word. Because at the end of the day, there is only one person you truly need to beat. The you that keeps making excuses. So the next time ye feel lost, stuck, or empty, don't reach for your phone. Don't scroll. Don't complain. Train. Train your body to move when it's tired. Train your mind to stay calm in chaos. Train your heart to choose long-term strength over short-term pleasure. Because the heaviest weight you'll ever carry is the potential ye never used.